probably the nicest hike we've ever been on.
Easily.
Which is a lot, being that we walked, but around the Grand Canyon. We just spent a week hiking in the Smokies. This is stunning. Mel with her normal cold blanket on.
And eating.
Mmm.
Like usual. But they're cauliflower stalks.
Does that make you feel better?
No. But I know what's going in my belly.
And I'm the one that's emptied the black tank, so I know what went through your belly.
In 3/4 of a mile, arrive at 184 plus Badger plus Hill plus RD plus Portersville plus Pennsylvania plus 16051 on the right.
One more plus.
This campground has it all. It's plus. Look at this, 5 pluses.
5 plus campground.
Well, after a stressful
You're
drive,
welcome.
After
You
a
are
stressful
welcome.
traffic drive, that was actually rather funny.
If that doesn't make you want to stay here, I don't know what will.
I plus, don't plus, no plus, either plus.
Arriving at 184 plus Badger plus Hill plus RD plus Portersville plus Pennsylvania plus 16051 on the right.
Okay, it's my the 3rd time. Just got to the campground, Mel's prepping dinner, and this is the first. We don't normally creep on neighbors, but neighbors have, I don't even know if those are hawks or what they are. We are finishing up our loop on the McConnells Mill Trail. This is absolutely stunning.
It is.
We're always surprised by Pennsylvania for some reason. You know, it's
Hidden gems.
at least when you talk to people and everyone's like, you don't hear much about Pennsylvania unless you know someone from Pennsylvania. It's beautiful. This is probably the nicest hike we've ever been on.
Easily.
Which is a lot, being that we walked, but around the Grand Canyon. We just spent a week hiking in the Smokies. This is stunning, and we are someone that we always like to be in the lake. We like to hear water, streams, rivers, and I think that's probably what really sells the hike. It's all in the trees. The actual tree growth is stunning, but we've been walking for almost 2 hours, and I don't think we've had a single spot on the trail where you can't hear water running, whether it's the actual river behind us or it's even just the random streams that have formed in the hills.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous.
Very pretty.
It's a rather uneven hike, so if you're someone that needs stable ground, probably not for you. But if you're okay with moderate conditions and in general hiking, like, you should definitely check this out. It's beautiful. It was the #1 hike in the area, and now I know why.
Yeah, I would do this again, which we will.
We will. We're gonna come back tomorrow. We already decided it's so nice. We'll come back tomorrow. I'll bring the nicer camera and do this loop again, just because it's been absolutely beautiful.
Hands down one of our favorite hikes, not only because of the views, but there was one area that, honest to God, it smelled like Febreze. Like, it smelled like something I want to have a candle of. It smelled so good. So, taking a quick break here. Josh is doing his camera stuff. There he is. Getting his shots.
Neither of us is vegan. However, keep saying we want to do better and see if we can eat some less meat. Not even so much about animals, but just health benefits of not eating meat. Tried about a week or two ago a vegan taco recipe. The substitute for meat is cauliflower, and we weren't really sure how we'd like it, and we ended up absolutely loving it. Mel chopped up some cauliflower. She made a cabbage slaw and is working on a peanut butter sauce for the tacos.
Yep, that goes over the cauliflower, and then we put it in with the breading and then throw it in the air fryer. For the sauce, as a binder, it's just peanut butter, soy sauce, olive oil, and it was supposed to have maple syrup in it, but I didn't have syrup, so I had some stevia. Use that instead. Cornmeal and panko. It's pretty much just garlic and salt.
Sauced and cornmeal.
Yep. And we're crispy.
Check them out, they're delicious.
Nice throw. Really good throw. Nice.
Whole one. Oh, that would have been so good if I didn't hit the tree.
Classic Josh.
It is a bit humid today, but we're just finishing up the hike. It was absolutely stunning again. I've used that word a lot, but truthfully I think it's the best hike we've ever been on. We went and checked out the mill, which there's a lot of history there. It was built in the 1800s, burnt down after a lightning hit it, and then it was rebuilt. But it was really cool to see. They have a park ranger in there willing to give information and tours. This is a lot of fun. If we lived in the area, we'd be back here regularly. It's the best hike we've ever done, and I'm sure there's more things to come that'll beat it, like if we ever get to Yosemite and such, but this was stunning. And if you like to be outdoors, come here. Even if you're not a hiker, if you walk the first 5-10 minutes, it's very accessible. Fantastic hike. Good way to start your day.
It smells like Disney in here. It smells like Big Thunder Mountain and Splash Mountain all mixed into one, and I feel like I'm in Disney, and it makes me so happy.
Does that mean this place copied Disney or Disney's authentic?
I'm not sure yet.
I'm assuming this came first. Our weekend is all wrapped up at
Bear Run
Campground in Pennsylvania. As we've said 100 times, we had a stunning hike. This campground was really nice. It kind of exceeded expectations. Mel did another infamous book to campground in the middle of nowhere, not sure what we're going to do. But as always,
it turned out really well.
Yeah, it ends up being more about the person you're with, that one, than the place you're going. Because we ended up having fun, disc golf, a couple hikes, hanging out with the dogs. It was a good time.
Yeah.
This campground was really nice. I got no footage of it, unfortunately, but there is, back in the primitive area, just horses out and about doing their thing. We went back last night with a camera to get some footage, and of course they were away because it was storming. But it was beautiful. It's a good campground. I'd come back here.
Yeah, it's a really nice campground. A lot of amenities for kids, pool, camp store with a little sitting area. It's all lit up. It's
a creature show, an animal show.
Mm-hmm. They had a band the other night.
Yeah.
So
lots
of fun stuff.
Next weekend we've got we're going back to Put-in-Bay because Mel wants to get her passport stamped. So hopefully the weather's good that weekend too.
Hopefully.
We'll see you there.